Yes, I think the Commonwealth Games have officially displaced the IPL as the biggest tamasha in town. And now, without further ado, Mr. President.
Good to see you, Prem.
You like appearing on television shows, don't you? You were on a daytime chat show over in New York just a few days ago.
Well, Prem, I believe in reaching out to every single potential citizen.
I see.
Besides, you can't be the Messiah if you don't get your hands dirty.
Speaking of getting your hands dirty, what's the latest on the oil spill?
Oh, it's happening. It's happening. No worries there.
Yes, it's been more than 100 days now.
Well, it's been more than 500 days of my presidency. What can I say? Change takes time.
I'll tell you what doesn't change, though. The prevailing atmosphere in the Parliament of India. This week, the monsoon session began, and here's Lok Sabha Speaker Meera Kumar with her very own weather forecast.
Jai Hind. I'm Meera Kumar with the weather forecast. Thick clouds of accusations and counter-accusation continue to hang over the monsoon session of the Parliament. Congress is predicted to experience a low pressure point as high winds from all sides are seen moving towards the center. You can see the thunder clouds of railway accidents building here from West Bengal. From Gujarat, cyclonic winds of misuse of CBI and Amit Shah case are progressing at a great speed. The unexpected cold weather conditions with Kashmiri separatists and freezing points reach in Pakistan can cause a hailstorm in the coming days. आप बैठ जाइए, अपना टर्न आने पर बोलिएगा, अभी मेरा टर्न है. The biggest threat to this low-lying Congress area is from brewing storm clouds over the issue of price rise. If the saffron clouds are joined by the Karab clouds from the left and these soft Mulayam clouds from UP, the Congress will face a devastating political deluge. You have blown enough wind. Please sit down. आप बैठ जाइए. Be warned. In the light of flower pot storm recently experienced in Bihar Assembly, it is advisable to attend the Parliament with protective umbrellas and headgear. The storm can uproot mics, chairs, and even entire tables. Finally, the ministers will work at making it rain tax money to fix the damage done by this stormy session. आप बैठ जाइए. That's all for the day. Namaskar.
Maybe for some people, the weather is a boring subject, but not for Meera Kumar. She must have one of the most thankless jobs in existence. Now, Mr. President, let's turn to Afghanistan.
Do we have to?
That's a question you should be asking yourself. A massive intelligence leak has revealed shocking new facts about America's war in Afghanistan.
Yeah, it ain't nothing new.
Innumerable reports of civilians being attacked, villages destroyed, innocent men, women and children killed.
Oh, tell me something I don't know.
But if you've known this all along, why aren't you doing something about it?
What can I say? Change takes time.
As usual, you've got your stock responses ready, I see.
Yes, we can.
Oh dear. Meanwhile, back home in the wake of the CBI's arrest of former Gujarat Home Minister Amit Shah, Prime Minister Manmohan Singh invited the opposition to lunch. But were they willing to break bread with him?
Sushma ji, there is a letter for you. Prime Minister Manmohan Singh is hosting a special lunch. You have been specially invited, along with Shri L.K. Advani and Shri Nitin Gadkari.
I can see that. Sorry, we cannot come.
But why don't you speak to Advani ji first?
I don't need to speak to him for every little thing. Anyway, we have already spoken. निर्णय ले लिया है. We are not coming.
But why?